Hello friends, today we are going to discuss Food Technology GATE paper 2019. The first question is colloidal stability of milk casein is because of highly hydrated carbohydrate residues in casein protein is present in milk in the form of colloid, and this casein protein is made up of alpha S1, alpha S2, beta and kappa casein. Alpha S1, these three proteins, they are buried inside because of their hydrophobic nature, and the kappa casein resides outside of the casein protein because it is hydrophilic hydrophilic in nature. So uh, if we have to check the stability of the milk, it is totally related to the kappa casein. So the correct answer is the kappa casein. Next question is rice bran is stabilized prior to oil extraction. You know, rice bran is a byproduct of the rice milling, and this rice bran contains oil. This oil is having very less shelf life because this oil gets converted into free fatty acids readily because this rice bran contains the lipase enzyme, and this lipase enzyme breaks down this fat into free fatty acids and causes the rancidity. So prior to oil extraction, the rice bran is stabilizer, means it is heated, and this heat deactivates this enzyme. So the correct answer is the lipase. Next question is sticking of powder to wall of the chamber during spray drying of fruit juice is due to when we try to dry the fruit juices, they uh, they give a sense of rubbery or sticking texture because they actually have a low glass transition temperature. By applying heat, they show a rubbery texture, which will give the sense of incomplete drying. So the correct answer is the low glass transition temperature of the compounds in juice. Next question is thiorubicin and thiaflavin in black tea are formed by the oxidation and dimerization of. The tea contains polyphenol, which is known as catechin, and these catechins during fermentation of tea gets converted into thiorubicin and thiaflavin, which are responsible for the color of tea. So the correct answer is the catechin. Next question is uh, ratio of uh, Smith number to Lewis number is. The correct answer is uh, Prandtl number. Next question is red dog is one of the byproduct during milling off. The correct answer is wheat. Uh, it is related to wheat because one of the brand of wheat processing has packed the byproduct of wheat in a package which displays a red dog picture on the package. Because of that picture, this red dog is related to wheat. Next question is assertion type, and the assertion is ash content is one of the quality indicator of the flour to be used for the bread making. This is absolutely right. This is absolutely right because if we have to produce bread, and for bread we have to use the flour having high protein, because in bread we have to make a network of gluten which needs high content of protein. Or if there is a contamination of bran which is having a high content of minerals in it, so if the bran is incorporated in the flour, it will uh, it will add the ash content, uh, but at the same time it decreases the protein content. So the ash content is one of the quality indicator of the flour used for bread. Reason higher ash content indicates better quality of the bread flour. This is wrong, because the higher ash content will decrease the low volume of the bread. So this is incorrect. So this is the correct answer. Next question is a numerical based question in which we have to obtain the percent overrun. For percent overrun, we have formula: percent overrun is equal to volume of ice cream minus volume of mix divided by volume of mix multiplied by 100. But in this numerical, we don't have actually the data present in volume. We have data present in density. So first we have to convert this density into volume. For that, we can say we have mix, which is given as 870 gram per liter. It means the volume of this mix is 1 liter. It is given in numerical. Okay. Now from this mix we have prepared ice cream, and that is given as 490 gram per liter, and which means the volume is again 1 liter. Now we have used only 490 gram per liter. We have a part which is left, extra part. That extra part is 870 gram per liter minus 490 gram per liter, which is equal to 380. So now we can say 490 gram has produced 1 liter ice cream. 1 gram can produce 1 liter divided by 490. So we can say 380 gram can produce 1000 divided by 490 into 380, which is equivalent to 775.51. So the total ice cream is 775.51 plus 1000 plus 1000, which is equivalent to 1775.51 ml. Therefore the overrun will be percent overrun is equal to 1775.51 volume of ice cream minus volume of mix, which is 1000, divided by 1000 volume of mix multiplied by 100. After calculating this becomes 775.55%. So the total overrun of the ice cream is 77.55%. Next questions will be discussed in next video. Thanks for watching.